Hello friends, welcome back to Odoo Hub. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add a custom Addons directory in Odoo. Right now, I have an Odoo 19 project running and only the default Odoo Addons directory is configured. There is no custom Addons directory added yet. Let's open the project in PyCharm. As you can see, currently there is no custom Addons folder in this project. Now let's create a new folder. I will name it custom addons, but you can name it anything you want. To save some time, I have already pasted a simple custom module inside this folder. This module contains only two files, init and manifest. Now, we need to add this custom address directory part to the Odoo's configuration file. So let's open the Odoo 19 config file. Here I will copy our folder path and add along with the existing addons path. After saving the file, let's go back to Odoo and check for the module. As you can see, the module is not visible yet. That's because we must restart the Odoo server after changing the addons path. So let's rerun the project. Now open Odoo in the browser. Go to settings and activate developer mode. Next, go to apps and click on update app list. After the update is completed, refresh the page. Now search for your custom module. As you can see, our custom module is now visible in Odoo. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.